She had it for years and it looks good as new. One of my subscribers asked me, so I called my grandmother. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little video on how to take care of and clean and condition a genuine leather purse. And this was requested by a lovely subscriber of mine who watched my What's in My Purse video. And if you haven't seen that, you should go and check it out. In that video, I used my What's in My Etienne Eigner purse, which I got as a hand-me-down from my grandmother. She had it for years. It's a really old purse, but it looks good as new and it's held up really well and for really long, obviously. One of my subscribers asked me, like, can you ask your grandmother how you took care of that purse and made it last so long? I said, of course, and I'll do a video. So I called my grandmother and I was like, what did you do to take care of it? And she gave me a few little tidbits. I have a list. I was like on the phone and I was like writing down everything she was saying. I haven't like taken care of my leather purse at all. So I might want to start doing this, especially like when I get new purses down the line. My grandmother told me there's soap that you can buy that is specific to true leather. It keeps it clean, but also keeps the leather really supple and soft. There's also conditioners you want to use afterwards so that like, I'm assuming that like, so the leather doesn't crack. But my grandmother says, you know, the beauty of leather purses is that, you know, it shows a little bit of the wear and tear. She said there's different cleaner kits that you can buy that like include the soap and the conditioner and stuff like that. She said it's very important to keep dust off leather purses. She also said not to lay the purse on one side or another and just to keep it upright. The side that's laying down might get more worn, or the side that's showing up might get more faded by light or sun, and that's another thing. She said to keep any leather purse or like nice purse that you have in like a specific nice drawer for that purse so that it's away from any dust in the air, any light, so that it doesn't fade or anything. Although she said leather is meant to, you know, show some wear and tear. She also said leather is meant to be taken care of, especially if you want it to last long. When you wash your purse, she says to use a rag. Use a little wet rag and be gentle, gently rub it, and don't let the soap or the conditioner soak into the purse. She said to basically, you know, rub it in, but then rub off the excess or like dab the excess so that it doesn't, you know, soak in, because it might maintain the moisture, it might grow mold. So basically my grandmother said just not to let anything soak into the leather. And there's different brands that have these cleaners and these conditioners in these kits. There's a brand called Chemical Guys. There's also a brand called Leather Honey. These different leather cleaners are not too expensive. The most expensive one I can find is maybe $17. There's actually suede care kits, and I didn't even know that. I've never heard of that. Sorry if I keep looking over here. I have my laptop pulled up with all the different stuff that I researched. Kate Spade even has a cleaner. Walmart has a cheap leather cleaner as well. It's about less than $4. There's also a website that I found that has the top 5 best leather conditioners. The website is products.bestreviews.com, and you can find those leather conditioners on there. And you can also get like all of them on Amazon. One's Lexol, Weiman, Bees Butter, and there's a bunch of others. Some come in like a spray bottle and some come in like a just like kind of almost like a shampoo or conditioner bottle where you kind of squirt it in your hand. And then some come in jars where it's kind of like a, you know, like body butter from Bath and Body Works. It's kind of like that. You open it and you kind of like get some on your hand and you rub it in. Now, if you don't want to buy any cleaners and you just want to use something like you have around your house, there is a way to clean your leather purse without buying like specific products. So basically you can get some warm water and use like some Dawn dish liquid detergent. You want to get a soft cloth. There's some washcloths that are like sandpaper, and you don't want to do that because it could like scratch the leather up. So you want to get a soft rag and dip it into the warm water that's mixed with the Dawn soap, and you want to wring it out because you don't want to like soak your purse and drench it. You simply wipe the exterior of the leather purse you're going to want to use another soft rag to just dip in some water. You just want it to be damp. You don't want to drench it or soak it. And just wipe off the excess and get the soap off your purse. And after you've like rinsed off the soap with a damp, soft washcloth, you want to get a dry towel and like dab it dry. By cleaning your purse like this, it'll get any water stains or scuffs off your leather. So that's a good thing. One day I might buy some different leather sprays and leather cleaner and conditioner and test it and make a video of me testing different leather cleaners and leather conditioners and see what I think. It's not too much hassle, it's not too much work to clean your purse or like your leather purse. Basically just keep it, upright at all times. When you're not using it, keep it in a really nice drawer or like just a drawer in general, like dedicated to that purse so it can stay out of the light and prevent sun damage or light damage and cracking of the leather. Also, keeping it in a drawer, like I said before, keeps the dust off of it for the most part. As dust collects, just make sure you get the dust off of it. You can use probably any kind of duster and just like a little rag and just wipe the dust off, anything. But basically, there's many leather cleaners out there. There's many leather conditioners. Those conditioners are very important so you don't dry out the leather. Even so, you don't have to use those things because you can just use warm water and Dawn dish liquid detergent to clean it if you wanted just a simple, cheap, at-home remedy. The Dawn is very nourishing and moisturizing, so you don't have to worry about like conditioning it. And Dawn, obviously, we all know Dawn is good for getting oil and grease and those kinds of things off and cleaning oil and grease and grime. Like Dawn is perfect for that. They even use it like to clean animals after oil spills and stuff like that. And you can use Dawn to clean or like kill fleas on animals and stuff like that because it smothers them. So that's basically what my grandmother told me about how she takes care of her leather purses and the leather purse that I have now. And that's how it's lasted so long. You can use these tips and tricks on other leather products as well, such as like a leather couch or leather interior in a car. It's not just limited to leather purses. I hope this video was beneficial and helped you guys out, especially the girl who asked specifically how I kept my purse lasting. I'm just very gentle and very cautious of my, belongings in my purses. I try not to, yank it and throw it around. I'm like very careful and gentle with my things because I want them to last. It's more than just taking care of it. It's preventing the wear and tear in the first place and just being gentle and having a love and like appreciation for that item. Keep your animals away from it. Lock your purses and stuff up away from your animals because they can scratch it up or chew it. It's all about preventative measures as well, not just like keeping it clean, which is obviously important as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to do them weekly. Theoretically, I would like to upload at least twice a week. I'm back at college, so I'm a little more busy and can't upload as often, but no less than once a week is my goal. I would love to do twice a week if I can, but just know I'm gonna at least do once a week. But anyways, thanks again for watching. If you would like to follow me on any of my social media accounts, my handle for Instagram and Twitter are @MaryMWigley, and my Snapchat is mwigley8713. That's my username. It's just so you can stay updated about when I post videos, because a lot of times I will post on my Instagram when a video's up, that kind of thing, so you can just stay in the loop and just see what I'm up to. Again, please subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video.